Hello everyone, welcome to Mera Udyog. In this video, we will learn how to apply for leaves and manage approvals seamlessly. Once you navigate to the dashboard, go to HR Management and click on My Leaves. Here you can apply for leave by filling in the required details such as leave type and duration, full day, half day or short duration, start and end date, reporting manager, HR contact and supporting documents, and the reason for the leave. After filling in the details, click on Submit Application to send your request. You can also view your leave balances in the My Balance section. This section shows different leaves like casual, sick, compensatory off, and more, along with allocated, used, and pending leaves. Next, you can go to the Leave History tab to view and manage all your past leave requests, along with their status such as approved, pending, or rejected. Now go to the HR Management and navigate to the Operations section. In the Leave dashboard, you can see a complete overview of all leave activities, including total requests, pending, approved, and rejected requests, average approval time, most used leave type, department wise leave statistics, and who is out today. Next, go to the leave approval section. Here, managers or HR can review incoming leave requests and approve or reject them easily. You can also search and filter requests for better management. In the employee leave balance section, you can view leave balances of all employees. You can filter data by department, leave type, or year and can track total and remaining leaves for each employee. You can also adjust balances manually by selecting the leave type, choosing adjustment type, credit or deduct, entering the number of days, and adding a reason. This is useful for corrections or special cases. Further, in the leave type section, you can create and manage different types of leaves such as casual leave, sick leave, compensatory off, and leave without pay. You can also add a new leave type based on your organization's requirement. Additionally, you can create a leave policy by clicking on the Add Policy button. Here you can define the policy name and code, link applicable leave types, and set effective dates and eligibility rules to ensure the proper leave management. And that's how you can easily apply, track, and manage leave